Hey, aloha everybody, and welcome to Beach Walks with Rocks. Today is show number 157, and you can find us at beachwalks.tv. Let's go, Lex. Today I'm going to talk about Rox's theory of connectivity and relativity. I was reading The Week magazine again, and there was a little statistic that said 8 out of 10 people will not turn off their cell phone even when they're having sex. And you take that and you weigh that with this huge explosion of video blogging, YouTube, MySpace, all of these places on the internet where people get to talk to each other, connect with each other, tell each other seemingly on the surface the most mundane, simple little things, people discussing all kinds of trivia. And when I step back and really look at things from a distant perspective, what it seems to me is going on is that as soul beings, we're discovering really that in fact we are truly connected. And we are hungry to really assert our awareness of that connectivity. And the internet and all of these tools, cell phones, all of these communication tools, Lexi, where are you going? Are giving us the ability to do that. You know, I believe that when we all die, or when we're not here, that we're really all one. We're part of one giant divinity. And yet when we come here as a human being, we're in these separate bodies, these separate containers. And that creates the illusion of separateness. But really, I do believe we're all connected. On some level, we're all connected. And this explosion in communication is just helping us really rediscover that. So, you know, that's your wacky thought for today here in the beautiful beaches of Hawaii. It's one of the reasons I love the water, because the water is such a symbol of fluidity and connectedness. So go for a quick swim. If you'd like to Skype us, you can Skype at Roxanne Darling. If you'd like to call, the number is 949-544-1456. And tell me what's on your mind. Connect with me. Give me your troubles. I'll take them out to sea. That's my standing offer. Aloha, everybody.